Hello. So, I just made this app. I'm using Claude, okay? So I have a shot and it uses tool use, okay, to pick up files from my computer and these invoices, okay, and extract information from these invoices and generate an Excel, okay? Let me show you. Py main py. It will start the shot, okay? And I will ask first which files I have in that folder. What are the available files? And it will return. So it calls here a tool, okay, and is saying I have these files, okay. And what is the text of invoice 1.pdf, for example, is calling the tool, and this is the text inside. Let me show you this one, okay, and generate an Excel with clients information. And here in this folder output, okay, is reading the files, and it generated here this Excel file. And this is it, okay. This is the file generated with the thing. So I will make available this. Actually, the code is already on GitHub. You can go there, download the thing, and play with it, okay? Thanks for watching, and bye.